Bakit mas magandang bumili ng trio kaysa pair? By the way, pag sinabi nga palang trio, ang ibig sabihin nun is dalawang female at isang male. Unlike goldfish, mas maraming male mas maganda para mas mataas ang fertilization rate. Sa mga molly naman, ang isang male is enough to fertilize 3 female. The reason kung bakit I recommend to get trios instead of pair is to prevent inbreeding. Bakit naman ayaw natin mag-inbreeding? Dahil may chance na mas maraming maging pangit or quality na hindi mo gusto compared dun sa quality na gusto mo sanang makuha. But inbreeding is not bad. Actually, nagamit ang inbreeding kung gusto mong ma-maintain yung color, body structure, size, and etc. In short, it is selected breeding. Though magkapatid, maraming but you gonna select all those things na gusto mong makita sa ibinibreed mong molly. But be aware din as well na maraming talaga. Medyo maraming oras ang masasayang order to stabilize yung gusto mong quality na makuha. Ngayon, the reason kung bakit magandang kumuha ng trio, kasi may dalawa kang set ng female. Yung dalawang set ng female ay magkakaroon ng anak. Pwede mong gamitin yung anak ni female 1 pang breed dun sa anak ng female 2. Pwede mong gamitin si anak ni female 2 pang breed naman dun sa female 1. Short, meron kang dalawang batch na hindi magkapatid. Meaning, mas low yung chance na makakuha ka ng mas maraming pangit kaysa sa maganda. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na wala ka na makukuhang pangit. Point is, mababawasan yung chance na mas maraming lumabas na pangit kaysa sa maganda. Kasi based on my experience, even though ang gamit mo na female is show potential, and ang gamit mong male is show potential, meron pa rin lalabas at lalabas ng mga pangit na quality. But, mas konti. Same din naman, kahit pet grade lang yung ginamit mo, may lalabas at may lalabas din na maganda. Pero konti. Just to summarize yung pinag-usapan natin, kaya mas better kumuha ng trio is because you have 2 set of female na pwede mong pagkuhanan ng mga gagamitin mong future breeder nang hindi nag-i-inbreeding or gumagamit ng magkakapatid na breeder in order to have lower chance of having more pet grade or low quality than the high quality. And I hope you learned something today. And if you're looking for a molly, you can buy one from me. Just message me directly so I can send you all the available pa. And I think that is all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!